A very good morning to all my students and welcome to your own channel EduBharat. Today I am here with my new video on Python Pandas series. This is very beneficial for the college going student as well as class 12th and 11th students. They have learned the Python. So now this is the Python Pandas series. How can we create the series? What is series? So you should know what is exactly series. So how to create series using list. So before knowing this, you should know what is exactly series. So Pandas series is a one-dimensional labeled array. The one thing you must remember, that is one-dimensional labeled array, capable of holding data of any type. There are different types of data you have learned, that is integer, string, float, etc. So here one-dimensional labeled array means the data are homogeneous. If you are taking integer, then all the value must be integer. If it's a string, then it is the string value. So this is called the index. By default, it will start from 0 to n-1 because it will start from the 0, and if n is the value, so it is n-1. So a, that is 10, that means A hold the value 10, B 20, C 30, D 40 and E 50. This is integer. By default, it is float value. So size is immutable and it is homogeneous, as I have used the term array. Homogeneous list of homogeneous element, that is called an array. The next is series creation using list. How can we create the series using list? There are different methods creation of series. That is first list as per your syllabus. List, first we have starting from the list. So list is what? Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable and can be created using square brackets. Whenever you are representing list, it must be within square brackets. This square brackets indicate the data written within a square bracket, that is list. Two different lists I am taking here. The one is the value 5 natural numbers, and the second list I have taken the square of that number, like 1, 1, 2, 4, that is the square of 2. The square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16 and the square of 5 is 25. More than 2 list means, suppose we are taking here list 1 this, list 2 this, or we can take here the cube of this. So this 3 list become more than 2 list. We can create the series. Either we can take this as an index, I will tell you later. So now this is, you know what is the list. And the next is list is also a data structure in Python, that is a mutable or changeable. Mutable means it can be changed. Ordered sequence of element. Each element or value that is inside of a list is called an item. As I told you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is called an item of the list. Now question arises, what is data structure? Because we have used the term here data structure. So data structure just like a container that organize and group data according to its type. The data structure differ based on mutability and order. So this is just, you should know what is list, what is data structure, and how can we create the series using list. So just another example we can take, list of vowel in English letter. All you know how many letters that in English languages there are 26 letters and there are 5 vowels and 21 consonant. So we have taken the list of 5 vowels. Next, list of any 5 odd numbers. So that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. List of primary colors we can take, like red, white, yellow, blue, any primary color we can take. And the last but not the least, list of any 5 student weight. I'm just taking the list of any 5 students weight. like 56.5, and this is the data type of float. You just check it. This is the data type of string, this is integer, and this is character. So this is the different data types we can use creation of series. Is it clear? So next we will continue the next one. How can we create it? We concentrate. The first line we have to write import pandas as PD. This is import. You need, there are rich library in Python. So here we have to use import pandas as PD. PD is alias. We can write your name is here also. But here you have to use that same. This is the alias of pandas. So we just take the panda PD for pandas. So pandas as PD. L we have taken the list, that is 20, 30, 40, 50 because we have used this square bracket. Another command you have to use, this is S, this is the variable PD dot series. S should be capital. Don't forget S should be capital. And here we can take the list, whatever where we have stored the data of list. Print S, this will be your output. 0, this is by default because we have not given any index value. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 will hold the value 20, index, this is index. 1 will hold the value 30, 2 will 40, 3 will be 50. And the data type we have taken the integer. If I write here 20.0, 30.0, so it will write here float. Another we can take the example with index. Now you can see here this is the 0, 1, 2, 3. Now this index we have changed. That is what? We have to write the command this one. Index is equal to single quotes we write A because in Python we write character value in single quotes. And this is the we have taken the index A, B, C, D. And this number should be same. Like 4 we have taken here. So here we need to write 4 values. Okay. If I don't write here, so it will take n minus 1. Suppose the value is 4, so it will take from the 0. So it will take 0, 1, 2, 3. Next is what? This is the pandas as PD we have done. The next is creation of series of square of first 5 natural number. How can we create a series of square of first 5 natural number? So we need to write the program, that is import pandas as PD. L is equal to, I have just taken the square of the number. Square of the number means we have just taken the 5 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So no need to take the number again here. Why? Because by default it will take as an index value. So 0 we have taken, or we can take the 1. Okay. So we have started from the 1, we can take, if the natural number we are taking, so it will take from the 1. So you need to write, I have taken here the ABCD index. Why? Because otherwise it will take from the 0. I didn't indicate 0. Square of 0 will not be 1. So we have taken here A, B, C, D, E. So that's why we have written. If I don't write index, then what will happen? So 0. It may be indicate, that means the value of 0 square is 1. So maybe it interpreted wrong. So that's why we have taken another, or you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can start. So then you just create a series of cube of first 5 natural number with index value of vowel. So I hope all you will do this. Next, using 2 different list series creation. How can we use 2 different lists? So import pandas as PD I have taken, and I have taken the number 1, 4, 9, 60, any number we can take, and just I have taken this number word. Like 1 I have written in word 1, 4 I have written in 4, 9, 16 and 25. So what will happen? We can take any other value. Maybe you can think there are the 2 value here. So it may be the 2D array. No, this is only the 1D array because this value we are taking. This is the index value. So this we can take either this number may be the index, or you can take the word number as an index. It is your choice. Print series of person name with height in centimeters. Another example I am giving to you. Print series of person name with height in centimeter. That means you need to make the series with any number of person with their height. So I have just taken the height here. You can write the name also first. Import pandas as PD is must. You have to write in ideally. Height you can take. I have taken the 5 name: Shiva, Ritu, Neetu, Seema and Aparna. Then height of this 180, 160. That means height of Shiva is 180, Ritu is 168, Neetu 170, Seema 160 and Aparna 170. So this is the height of the person name we have taken. Just I have written print name and height in centimeter. This is the heading I have given of the series. After that, we just put PD series height. I have taken this height first. What you will write here, that will be in the this value. This is the value, don't forget. If I don't write it the name, it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I don't know the height of person. That means who is the person whose height I have written. So we have taken the index as a name. So it will display the name of the person whose height we have taken. And height in centimeter we have cleared mentioned here. So the next is assignment time. Now what is this? The first is create a series to display any 5 cricketers and their runs. Next is create a series to store the data of any 5 hospitals of your area with total bed number. That means how many beds available there. Take hospital name as index. Okay, this is as index. Create a series to print any 3 language with total number of characters set in that language. I have mentioned here in Hindi उच्चारण के आधार पर 52 वन होते. That means whenever we speak, that is 52 letters. 11 is vowel and 21 is consonant. But in writing, Hindi has 56 letter, 11 vowels, 41 consonant and the 4 are mixed consonant. So I have given you the 5 questions. Create a series to store any 5 country names starting letter with I or another starting letter of your name. For example, your name starting letter is C or maybe your name is K. So you just think about that. Which country name started with letter C or maybe K. So you think about that 4 or 5 country name and make a series of this with the index value or any other value. So I hope you all understood this. Are you able to do this 5 questions what I have given to you? Is it clear? I know you can do it. You just try to do it. If you are not able to do or if you have done, you just comment me. So if any kind of difficulty, so I will give you the solution of this. So thanks for watching and all the best. You just do practice, keep watching and get highest score. So thank you very much. All the best. Take care of your near and dear one. Thank you.